Welcome to today's episode of Learning Chords. We'll be going over the major 7th chord, what it is, how it functions, and how you can use it in your music. Let's get started. A major 7th chord is a major triad with a major 7th interval added on. To find a major 7th interval, go up one octave and then down a half step. Here's a G major triad. G is the root note, so go up the octave to G and then down a half step to F sharp. The interval distance from the note G to F sharp is a major 7th. Add the note F sharp to a G major triad and you now have a G major 7th chord. Here are the chords in a major key. The 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord are all major triads. A major 7th chord can be used in place of the 1 chord or the 4 chord in a progression. Functionally, a major 7th can't be used as the 5 chord because that's a dominant 7th chord. Here's an example progression. To implement a major 7th chord, look at your chord progression and ask, are there any major triads in my progression? And if so, are they the 1 chord or the 4 chord? In our progression, we have 3 major triads. G major is the 1 chord, C major is the 4 chord, and D major is the 5 chord. We take G and C and turn them into major 7th chords, but not D because again it's the dominant, and then we put those 2 chords back into the progression. And that's it. We only went over how they function in a major key, so there are endless amounts of ways to use them in other modes, but I hope this video helped you get started on ways to use them. Thank you for watching.